up, YouTube family? Back again with another video, and I sound like a broken record. It's like every time I come with you guys with another video, I always thought of it, oh, I know it's a long time and I haven't uploaded a video in a long time, but I'm not gonna say that, but I just hinted that at you, you know? Just bear with me. Whenever I post a video, you can just go and show your support, even though it takes forever, you know, just the big things coming ahead, and I just want you guys to bear with me. But that being said, I'm gonna be hitting a really nice leg workout. I've still been dieting, as you can see, and you know, cutting up. Excuse the cringiness. I've been dieting out for the summer for the past 5 months now, and so far I've dropped about 30 pounds. Yeah, it's not noticeable because I'm not usually wearing cut-up sleeves as much, and the places that I hold the most fat is usually my quads, my hamstrings, basically my thighs and my abdominals, and those you can't see normally except I flex. But do know it, I feel a lot lighter, I feel a lot better, I'm a lot more vascular than I was when I started the prep, and it's been going really good. It's a slow cut because I don't maintain as much muscle as I can, but I've been hitting it, and I've tried to keep my carb re-upload as consistent as possible, because you don't want to wait too long before you carb up or refeed, as you would say, because you don't want your body to go in to be so long in a deficit, in a depleted state, that you're not giving your body the necessary carbohydrates that you need. Because if you stay that long, your body starts feeding into your muscle tissue, and then you start losing muscle, and nobody wants that. You want to keep as much gains as possible. You're gonna lose some muscle, but you want to keep as much gains as possible while you're trying to cut down fat. Alright, so that's the goal. Anyways, I'm gonna hit a really nice leg workout. I say nice, I use that term a lot loosely than it is, because it's gruesome. And I work out with these gentlemen, one of my coaches, I call him Sensei, 60 years old, but the guy is nuts, like completely crazy. I posted a picture on Instagram yesterday about his bicep. Just showed a bicep. He always covers up, but that one time he decided to let his bicep out, and everybody was like, okay, we got to take this, we got to record this. And you can see he's still in shape. But I'm gonna hit a leg workout with him, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. Yeah, well, that's what I wanted to let you guys in on. I'm gonna go now. I had a really nice breakfast. Only ate once today. I had really nice breakfast with protein pancakes and eggs, which you're gonna see right there. So that should fuel me enough with some pre-workout that I had. That should fuel me to get this leg workout in, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna change. This is not gonna cut it. I'm gonna change it a little bit. You're gonna see me in a lot better outfit for the gym. All right, guys, I'll see you.
You. Yeah, welcome back. Yeah.
just trying to hang with y'all young guys, man. I got 21 over here, I got 19, I got like 28, 28, right? Whatever, dude, whatever. Yeah. Cool, I got you, come on. Good. Hey, who let them go? I don't know, it must have been you. That's good. It's the last set.
Let it rain. Come on.